To manage better your objects, on the Select section, you could enable Selection Pane. If I open that, we could control our objects here. Allow me again go to Insert and create some shapes. I could create any shape or icon I want. Let me create also an oval or circle. And as I mentioned before, something like chart and smart art also count as objects. You see, they are listed here. And again, if I go to Insert and Add Table, nothing added here because it does not count as an object. On this pane, you could hide the objects. You could change the order. For example, I could bring back this rectangle behind of this chart. Simply you could select and drag it to make it below. You see, it's not coming because of my layout. These objects are movable. You see, you could change the order, allow me to overlap, and even change the color to something be obvious. Okay, you see, but this one is not coming because it is set on inline text. So I could set something like that, and now I could change the order manually by dragging or ordering one by one. But note that here is not show every object on your document. For example, if I scroll down and go to the next page and click, you see nothing here. So it's working every page separately. Now if I create another object, now we have our own object in current page. And it is not based on your scrolling. You have to click and select the page. You could hide them all. You could show them all. And of course, it is similar to other pane. Click. You could move it, resize it. Let's say move. You could drag it somewhere like this to get float or dock it anywhere else. Also note that you could even rename the objects by double click on the name and start renaming.